Hi, I'm Matt Carzoli. I'm an applications engineer here at ATS Chicago. I've been here for almost 23 years now. Auto-injectors are a device that patients can use to inject themselves with medication. There's single dose and multi-dose auto-injectors. The one behind me is for a dry side subassembly, and it's producing parts at a rate of 200 parts per minute. It has various uses. Different drugs can be run in this same device. We have servo-driven welders on this machine. We also have, this one will be running with Illuminate as well. Previous ones did not. I'm most excited about this project because this is actually the 8th line that we've produced here for this customer, and the need for this product continues to grow.